Sir, I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, not issue. And Tushar, you can reply me on the chat box. ओके इस पर 11th में कोई चैप्टर किया है मैथ्स में अभी?
Chapter 1 sets.
Which one? Sets. Okay. So what we will do, we will start the trigo because it is the lengthiest chapter in class 11th.
Okay, sir.
And just give me a minute. मैं एक बार check कर लेता हूँ तुषार के end से कोई issue तो नहीं है. Just give me a minute. Okay, Tushar, I got your reply. So start करते हैं with trigo. So what is trigo? Trigonometry. Trigonometry is that branch of mathematics. Is that branch of mathematics which deals with deals with the measurement of sides and angle of a triangle. Okay, so what is trigonometry? It is that branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of sides and angles of a triangle. ठीक है, so इसमें कोई इशू नहीं है, कुछ explain भी नहीं करना है. Now up to class 10th आपने angle किस unit में measure किया था? Spush. In which unit you measure the angle of a triangle?
Degree.
Degree. Okay, so in class 11th we have one more unit which is radian to measure the angle of a triangle. ठीक है, so अगर हमें angle को measure करना है then in 11th we will measure in degree and we can measure in radian, then we will find the relation between the degree and the radian. Okay, so our next topic is angle measurement. So we have two units. First is degree and this come under this system. Okay, we have two systems. First is this degree will come under this category. In this system, the unit of measurement is degree. Now, how can we define 1 degree? If 90 degree is divided into 90 equal parts then each part each part of 1 degree measurement. Okay, so what is this system? 90 degree को हम divide करते हैं 90 equal part में, then each part is of 1 degree measurement. So what does this mean? Suppose we have this 90 degree angle. This is 90 degree. Now इसको हम 90 parts में divide कर रहे हैं. Okay, स्पर्श 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 into 90. Then each part का measurement कितना होगा?
1 degree.
1 degree. ठीक है? Any doubt in this? 1 degree?
No, sir.
Okay. तुषार, any doubt? Clear हुआ?
नो सर,
Clear नहीं हुआ?
नहीं क्लियर हो गया सर, डाउट
Okay. 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 Tushar, you are from which school?
क्या सर?
You are from which school?
डीपीएस कानपुर सिटी।
Okay. 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 And Tushar, how much marks did you get in class 10th in any of the exam?
क्लास 10th में सर कोई पेपर ही नहीं हुए हमारे, ऑनलाइन ही हुए थे सारे।
हाँ, online.
ऑनलाइन में तो सर 80 नंबर आए थे।
80 maths में?
मैथ में 76 थे शायद से सर।
76 out of
100
100. Okay. So Trigo clear था 10th में, Tushar?
नहीं नहीं सर, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री तो मैंने किया नहीं था 10th में।
अच्छा, नहीं किया था तो कोई बात नहीं, हम बेसिक से स्टार्ट करते हैं फिर, ठीक है? और जहां भी लगे कि ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा तो प्लीज मुझे बताइएगा,
ठीक है सर।
ठीक है? सो अभी हमने बेसिक किया है कि वी हैव अ यूनिट विच इज डिग्री. सो हमने 1 डिग्री चेक किया कि 1 डिग्री क्या होता है. 90 डिग्री को हम डिवाइड कर देंगे 90 पार्ट्स में, देन ईच पार्ट इज ऑफ मेजरमेंट 1 degree. Okay, now in case of this system we have further smaller units. जैसे हमारी फर्स्ट यूनिट तो डिग्री हो गई, उसके बाद हमारे पास नेक्स्ट यूनिट आ जाती है मिनट्स. ओके, सो मिनट्स क्या होता है? 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, further smaller units आ जाती हैं. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So we will define again. फिर हम 1 minute को define करेंगे. 1 degree is divided into 60 equal parts into 60 equal parts. Then each part is of measure 1 minute. Okay, so 1 degree bracket में हम कहीं लिख दें, हमें याद रहेगा 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So minute से सिंपल ये होता है. Now what is 1 minute? 1 degree को हम 60 parts में डिवाइड करते हैं, then each part is of measure 1 minute. Tushar and Spush, any doubt?
No, sir.
है ना, बहुत सिंपल है. Okay, then we have other small unit which is second. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. This is the symbol of second. We have another unit. So we will हम 1 second को कैसे define कर सकते हैं? 1 minute को हम 60 parts में divide कर देंगे and each part is of measurement of 1 second. Okay, please इसको note कीजिए, then we will define the 1 second. स्पर्श एंड तुषार नोट कर लियो, स्टार्ट करें नेक्स्ट।
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. So next we have seconds. So 1 minute is divided into 60 equal parts. 60 equal parts. Each part is of measure 1 seconds. Okay, 1 minute को 60 parts में divide किया, each part is of 1 second. So ये बहुत सिंपल है, इसमें कुछ नहीं था, जल्दी से क्वेश्चन कर लीजिए। Convert the following into minutes. Okay, minutes में convert करना है. So your first question is 2 degree. Second question is 120 seconds. Third question is 3600 second. बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, चलिए समझिए इसका आंसर बता दीजिए। Tushar and Sparsh, first answer. Okay, Sparsh, what's the first answer?
120 minutes.
120 minute, बिल्कुल ठीक है. What's the second one?
2 minutes.
Good. Third one?
Mm. 60 minutes.
60 minutes. Good. So any doubt?
No, sir.
Oh, okay. Next start करते हैं, ठीक है, ये तो बहुत सिंपल था. Next is जो new है आपके लिए, that is second is circular or radian measurement. Okay. So circular or radian measurement क्या होता है? In this case, the unit of measurement is radian. Okay. So we have another unit which is radian. Now we will define one radian. Suppose this is a circle. This is its radius. Suppose this radius is 2 units. Now let this be O, this is A. Now you have an arc, let this be arc AB. Okay. This arc AB is subtending an angle at the center, this one. This is the arc. Now radius is 2, let the length of arc be 2. Okay. 1 radian कब होता है? 1 radian. 1 radian को हम define करते हैं, it is the angle subtended at the center by an arc having length equal to the radius of the circle. Okay, अगर हमारी arc की length equal to radius होती है, then this angle is 1 radian. ठीक है स्पर्श, clear वो? If the length of the arc is equal to the radius of the circle, then this angle is 1 radian. Now suppose the radius is 100 units. and suppose the length of the arc is also 100, then can you tell me what is this angle?
Sir, can you please repeat this topic?
Yeah, sure. So, Sparsh, I'm saying 1 radian kya hota hai? Suppose you have a radius 100 units and arc is also 100. When radius and arc are equal, then the angle subtended by the arc at the center is 1 radian. आपके पास सर्किल में कोई भी आर्क है, वो सेंटर पे कितना एंगल सबटेंड कर रही है, वो 1 रेडियन होता है व्हेन द लेंथ ऑफ अ आर्क इज इक्वल टू द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल. सो फॉर एग्जांपल, आपके पास ये जो आर्क है दिस इज 50, आपके पास जो रेडियस है दिस इज आल्सो 50. ओके, देन एंगल सबटेंड कितना होगा सेंटर पे?
1 radian.
1 radian. So 1 radian clear हुआ. What is 1 radian? It is the angle subtended at the center by an arc having length equal to the radius of the circle. So we will define 1 radian. 1 radian. 1 radian is the angle subtended at the center by an arc having length equal to the radius of the circle, okay. So circular or radian measurement, 1 radian is the angle subtended at the center by an arc having length equal to the radius of the circle. So when this length and if this radius and arc are same, they have the same measurement, then the angle is 1 radian. This is my last question. Suppose this is 10 and this is 10. So Sparsh, what is this angle?
1 radian.
1 radian. So clear हो गया स्पर्श कि 1 radian क्या होता है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please note down this. Next करते हैं फिर.
Yes, sir, I have written.
Done. Okay. So Sparsh, now we have studied that what is radian, degree आप पहले ही कर चुके थे. Now our next topic is relation between degree and radian. Okay, our next topic is relation between degree and radian. This is the next topic. Let's take a circle. Okay, and this is O, this is A, this is B. Its radius is 1 and arc is AB. Now, Sparsh, can you tell me what is this angle?
1 radian.
1 radian, good. Okay. Now suppose if we are increasing the arc, angle भी increase होगा, है ना? अगर हम arc increase करें, angle भी increase हो जाएगा. Now suppose अगर हमने इसको 2 units कर दिया, ठीक है? तो angle भी increase हो जाएगा, angle 2 radian हो जाएगा. Suppose हमने इसको 3 कर दिया, radius उतना ही है, radius is 1. हम arc increase कर रहे हैं, ये भी increase हो जाएगा, ये 3 हो जाएगा, 4 हो गया, 5 हो गया. ठीक है, अगर हमने इसको 3 यूनिट्स कर दिया आर्क को, ये भी 3 हो गया, 4 कर दिया, ये भी 4 हो गया, ये 5 कर दिया, ये भी कर दिया. नाउ लेट दिस बी ए सी. Okay, let this be a diameter. So Sparsh, can you tell me what is this complete measurement? This one, can you tell me what is this length?
Semicircle. 5
Yeah,
radian.
semicircle. Good. Pi, great. And pi units.
Yes, sir.
We are talking about this arc, so this is pi. Great. सो इफ दिस इज पाई, तो ये एंगल कितना सबटेंड करेगा, पाई रेडियन। ये भी आपने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा, दिस इज पाई रेडियन, दिस इज करेक्ट। ओके, नाउ कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज दिस एंगल?
5 radian.
ओके, दिस इज पाई रेडियन, बिल्कुल करेक्ट है। इन डिग्री व्हाट इज दिस एंगल?
180 degree.
180 degree, बिल्कुल ठीक है। So this is equal to 180 degree. So this is the relation between radian and degree, that one radian, sorry, that 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Clear हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So questions कैसे आएंगे? Con conversion of degree into radian. Okay, degree into radian. So 180 degree, this is equal to pi radian. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay, Sparsh, tell me this. Suppose 10 pencil have a cost of 50. Now, what is the cost of one pencil?
5.
5. So 180 degree is equal to pi radian. So what is this 1 degree? This is equal to Sparsh, कितना
I
होगा?
upon, I
pi
upon 180.
pi by 180 degree, बिल्कुल ठीक है। ओके, सो क्वेश्चंस कैसे आएंगे? सपोज वो आपसे कहेगा कन्वर्ट 30 डिग्री इनटू दिस। ओके, नाउ वन पेंसिल कॉस्ट इज 5। नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ 6 पेंसिल?
30.
30. So suppose we have to convert 30 degree into radian. Now 1 degree is equal to this much of radian. 30 degree कितना होगा? Pi by 180
Into 30.
into 30. Good. So this is equal to pi by 6. ओके, सो 30 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू पाई बाय 6। अब इस पर 11th क्लास में मैक्सिमम जो आपको एंगल्स गिवन होंगे, ठीक है, मैक्सिमम जो गिवन होंगे इन एनी बुक और इन एग्जाम, वो रेडियन में होंगे। तो कुछ स्टैंडर्ड एंगल्स हैं हमारे जिसको आप लर्न करें तो बेटर है। फॉर एग्जांपल फॉर 30, 60, 90, 45, इसको रेडियन में लर्न करना होगा, ठीक है, वो धीरे धीरे हो जाएगा। सो अभी आपको लर्न करना है कि 30 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू पाई बाय 6, ठीक है, इसको लर्न कीजिएगा। नाउ व्हाट इज द सिंबल ऑफ रेडियन? सो नॉर्मली बुक्स में कभी वो कोई भी सिंबल यूज नहीं करता। सो एंगल दे रहा है वो आपको और सिंबल यूज नहीं कर रहा। सो अंडरस्टूड दिस विल बी इन रेडियन। कभी वो सी यूज कर लेता है, सो इट्स मीन रेडियन है। और वो पाई बाय 6 लिखता है या रेडियन लिख देता है, तो ये तो क्लियर है हमें, ठीक है। तो सिंबल क्या होगा? सी भी लिख सकता है, सिर्फ रेडियन भी लिख सकता है, और कभी कोई सिंबल यूज नहीं करता। डिग्री में हमेशा करता है, रेडियन में नहीं करता। सो अंडरस्टूड है कि वो रेडियन है। ओके, सो नोट डाउन दिस, फिर हम कुछ क्वेश्चंस करते हैं। So Sparsh, please let me know once you completed this.
So done.
Done? Okay. Then try this question. Convert the following. Convert the following into radian. Okay. You have to convert this into radian. So first is 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, 360 degree. Convert all these into radian and tell me the answer. Spush first हो गया. You can tell me the first answer.
Pi by 4.
5/4, good. Next one.
Pi by 3.
5/3, good. Next one.
Wait, I am doing.
Okay, okay, good.
Sir, done.
Done, okay. What is 90?
Pi by 2.
There's 5/2, good. Next one, 120.
2 pi upon 3.
2 pi by 3, good. Next, 360.
2 pi.
2 pi. So any doubt till now?
No, sir.
No. Okay, next करते हैं. Next is conversion of radian into degree, okay? Radian into degree. So we know that pi radian is equal to how much degree? Spush, pi radian is equal 180, okay. Now 1 radian is equal to what? 180 by pi. Okay. So suppose we have to convert 2 radian into degree, हम क्या करेंगे? 2 से multiply कर देंगे. So your next question is convert the following into degree. Okay. So your first question is 3 pi by 4. Second question is 3 pi. Third question is 3 pi by 2. Okay, चलिए से इसको convert कीजिए and tell me the answer.
So
Yes,
first answer is 240 upon pi.
No, this is not correct. What relation do we have? 1 radian is equal to what? 180 by pi.
Yes, sir.
No. Now we have to convert 3 pi by 4. So 3 pi by 4 means 180 by pi into 3 pi by 4. This cancel. So what we get? इसको हमने divide किया, we get 45. 45 into 3 is 135 degree. ओके, सो स्पर्श कहाँ मिस्टेक कर रहे थे?
Now I understand.
Okay. Sparsh, try second one. Tell me the answer. What's the second answer?
Okay.
Sparsh, what is the second answer?
540.
540. Good. Now try third one. What is the third answer?
Sir, 270.
270. Good. Okay. Any doubt till now?
No, sir.
No, this is a little bit complicated question. Pi by 8. Convert this into degree. Tell me what's the answer.
Forty-five by 2.
45 by 2. Okay. So just give me a minute. Hmm. So suppose whenever we are converting a radian into degree, so first thing fraction में हम आंसर नहीं देंगे, हम decimal में भी नहीं देंगे. So what we will do, अगर fraction या decimal आ रहा है, then we will convert that into smaller units. So degree में smaller units कौन सी होती हैं?
Minute.
Minutes and seconds. Okay. So कैसे करना है इसको? 180 by pi into pi by 8. So pi cancel. So 24290, 22245. So we get 45 by 2. Okay. Now we don't need, we will not write the answer like this. हम इसको mixed fraction में convert करेंगे. So mixed fraction किया था ना smaller classes में. So 45, 2, 22, 44, 1. Okay. तो mixed fraction कैसे convert होता है like this?
Yes.
Okay. So this is 22 half and degree. So अब इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, हमारा जो integral part है उसको separate कर देंगे, जो फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट है उसको ऐसे ही लिख देंगे. नाउ दिस इज 1/2 डिग्री, तो हम क्या करेंगे, जो भी हमारा फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट है वी विल कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू स्मॉलर यूनिट. सो 1 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी मिनट्स? 60. सो 1/2 को अगर हमें मिनट्स में कन्वर्ट करना है देन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस विद 60. सो वी विल गेट, सॉरी, we will multiply this with 60 minutes. So what we get 22 degree and 30 minutes. Sparsh, इतना clear हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
So whenever you are converting a radian into degrees, so what you have to do whenever you are getting a fraction or a decimal, then you have to convert that into further smaller units, which are minutes or second. Suppose if we are converting into minutes and still we are getting a fraction, then what we will do, we will again convert that into second. So करना कैसे? First of all, write the mixed fraction. Separate the integral part. Fractional part जो है, उसको पे smaller units में convert करेंगे.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Okay, then please note down this and try this question fifth. Pi by 12. Convert this into degree.
So 15.
15 degree. Okay, good. Then sixth question is pi by 24.
Seven degree 30 minutes.
Good, Sparsh. Now, Sparsh, next question is seventh is 1 by 4. Okay, this is in radian. This is in radian. You have to convert this into degree. And in place of pi, use the value 22 by 7. ठीक है, थोड़ी सी calculations होंगे. Try to convert this and tell me the final answer.
So you have to convert in degree.
Yes, Sparsh, you have to convert into degree.
Sir, how to do this one?
So Sparsh, in this question, you have to convert this into degree. So you will multiply this 180 by pi into 1 by 4. है ना? यहाँ तक कोई डाउट नहीं है.
No, sir.
Now put the value of pi. So 180 degree 22 by 7 into 1 by 4. 290 45. Multiply this. So this is 315 by 22 degree. Okay, Sparsh, any doubt? Sparsh, any doubt?
Sir, 1 moment.
Any doubt, Sparsh?
Sir, how we will get 315?
We have multiplied this 7 into 45.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so what we have done, we have 180 by pi into 1 by 4. We have just put the value of pi 22 by 7. We have cancelled the terms and we get this 315 by 22. Now this is a fraction, so we will convert this into a mixed fraction. So 22, 1, 22. So this is 95. This is 4, 88, and this is 7. This is remainder 7, and this is here 22. So what we get, 14, 7, 22. This is degree. Okay, Sparsh.
Yes, sir.
Now separate this 14 degree, 7 by 21. Now can you tell me what's the next step?
Multiply it with 60.
Good. Into 60. So this is 11. This is 30. So we get 14 degree. This is 210 by 11. Okay. So 210 11. 1 is 11. This 10 100. 9 99 and 1. So okay, this is minutes. So 14 degree. Now we will write it like this. Okay, this is 111. So 19 111 minutes. So 14 degree, again we will separate the integral parts. Now this is 1 by 11. Now what we will do?
Multiply it with 60.
Again 60. So this will convert into second. But second हमारा last होता है. अगर उसमें भी fraction आ रहा है, then we will take the approximate value. So this is 60 by 11. तो कितना हो जाएगा? 5, 55. Again 5. Sorry. ठीक है, इसको divide कर लेते हैं. 60, 11. So this is 5, 55. Then we get 5. Then decimal 0. Then 4, 44. Okay, then we get 6, again 0, then 5. So take the approximate value, which is 5 seconds. Clear work?
Yes, sir.
Sparsh?
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt?
No, sir.
No. Please note down this. We will do a last question and then your class is over.
Okay, sir, 1 minute.
Okay, okay. Sparsh, done?
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay, okay.
Sir, done.
10. Okay. Then eighth one. Try this 2 radian. Okay. Convert this into degree and tell me the final answer. Especially if you are facing any issue, then please let me know.
Okay, sir. So after making it in next fraction, what
Okay.
we'll do?
Then separate the integral part. For example, in the previous,
So it is 6 upon 11.
yeah, 6 upon 11. So let me
6
check.
upon 11 to 60.
Okay, so this is 180 into pi by pi into 2. So this is 180, 22 by 7 into 2. So this is 11. Multiply this is 0. Okay, then 1260, 11, 111, 111, 444. So this 6 by 11. This clear? यही answer था स्पर्श?
Yes, sir.
So this is 114, 6 by 11. Okay, this is degree. This is into 60 कर दीजिए फिर minutes. Okay, so this is 360 by 11 minutes. Again, change this into mixed fraction. Okay, Sparsh?
Okay, sir.
Especially I'm taking a break of 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Push, done.
Yes, sir.
So what's the answer?
So 104, 114 degree,
Good,
32 second,
good. Minutes, है ना?
minutes,
Okay.
43 seconds.
43 or I guess 44 seconds. Please check this.
So it is approx 44, 43.
Okay, okay. Okay, at last के जिसको आपने seconds में convert किया है?
480 upon 11.
480 by 11. Okay. 444, 40. Then this is 3, 33. This is 7, 0, 0, 11, 6. है ना? 43.6 है. So we will take it
Yes,
as
sir.
44.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Swish. 5 से less होता है decimal में, then we will take 43. Okay. Swish, any doubt till now? Clear हो गया? Degree and radian?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, so I will give you some homework. Assignments कल share करेंगे आपसे. ठीक है, अभी try to do this. उसके बाद कोई doubt है तो हम कल discuss करते हैं ना. So in your exercise, NCERT, try question number first and second. जहाँ भी conversion है degree into radian और radian into degree, do both the questions. I guess exercise 3.1. Okay. So doubts फिर कल हम discuss करते हैं. Okay, Spush?
Okay, sir.
Okay then. Good night.